So give me probably, oh, I left my lights on. Give me probably 20, 30 minutes. I don't know. Fuck it. Y'all know when to get clean. Fuck it. All right, y'all. So we got her washed up. She ain't washed up all the way because I let her get too fucking dirty. But at least we got the most important fucking rims, bro. We needed them bitches clean. But they still not even done. Even they still a little bit dirty. So we're gonna go to the car wash and just make sure we do it a second time and make sure we get the scrubbing with the brush and make sure she good.